In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal phone number. Keeping your phone number up to date is really important because PayPal often uses it for security checks, text message codes, and account recovery. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from start to finish, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to help you avoid common issues. First, open your web browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. You can do this by signing into your account the way you normally do. Make sure you're logging in on the official PayPal website, and if you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to use a private browsing window so your information stays secure. Once you're on your account overview or dashboard page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button, right next to the log out option. Click on that gear icon. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage things like your personal details, security options, and of course, your phone numbers. On the settings page, look for the section that lists your phone numbers. It might be labeled something like phone or numbers, and you should see your current registered number there. In that same area, you'll see an option to change or manage those numbers. Click on the option that says change. This doesn't switch your number yet, but it opens up the page where you can manage all the phone numbers linked to your account. Now you'll be taken to a screen that shows your existing phone numbers in more detail. Before you can replace your current number, PayPal requires you to add the new one first. So look for the button that says Add New and click on it. Think of this as attaching the new phone to your account before making it your main contact. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your new phone number. Choose the correct country code from the drop-down if needed, then carefully type in your new number. Double check it to make sure there are no mistakes, because this might be used for verification codes. When you're confident it's correct, click on Add Phone Number. After this, PayPal may send a confirmation code to that new number so you can verify it